Hello students, welcome to maths class. I am Shaista, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you mathematics part 1, arithmetic progression, last practice set, that is practice set 3.4. Here we go. Let's solve question number 1. On 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10. Rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? My dear students, यहाँ पर सानिका नाम की एक गर्ल है जिसने डिसाइड किया 1st जैन को रुपीज़ 10, रुपीज़ 11, रुपीज़ 12 लाइक दिस वो पूरे साल भर टोटल सेव करेंगी. तो पूरे साल में उसकी सेविंग कितनी होंगी? सो वी विल राइट हियर सोल्यूशन लाइक दिस. सेविंग ऑन फर्स्ट डे इन ईयर 2016 बी रुपीज़ 10, on second day rupees 11, and on third day rupees 12, and so on. So this rupees 10, 11 and 12, this is nothing but this is an AP, means arithmetic progression है. तो A is equal to 10, then 11 minus 10 करेंगे तो we get here difference is 1, then 12 minus 11, that is 1 difference, that means common difference is 1. So difference is 1. Okay, and A is equal to 10. My dear students, 2016 is a leap year. ओके 2016 लीप ईयर है. आपको लीप ईयर पता है कैलकुलेट कैसे करते? अगर 2016 को 4 से डिवाइड करती हूँ, रिमाइंडर 0 मिलता है, दैट मीन्स वो लीप ईयर है. दैट मीन्स उसमें 366 डे है. ईयर 2016 इज़ अ लीप ईयर. सो टोटल डे इन ईयर 2016 इज़ 366. Here A is equal to 10 and common difference is 1 and N is equal to 366 day. Okay, N is equal to 366. So we are calculating here her total saving. पूरे साल में उसने कितनी total saving की है if A is equal to 1 and common difference is D. So here we will apply this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, make main bracket 2a plus 1 more bracket n minus 1, close the bracket into D, close the final bracket. Now here we have to use this a, d and n value in this formula. So 366 is equal to 366 divide by 2, make a bracket 2 multiply by 10 plus another make a bracket 366 minus 1 into 1, close the bracket. You have to just put this value in this formula. Now the S366 is equal to 366 divided by 2, that is nothing but 183. Now 2 tens are 20 plus 366 multiplied by 1. So 366 plus 20 is 385. So S366 is equal to 183 multiplied by 385 multiplied by 1, 385. Now here after multiplying this 385 multiplied by 183, okay, after multiplication we get here 70,455. So total saving would be rupees 70,455. That means सानिका की पूरी 1 year की saving थी 70,455 as per arithmetic progression calculation. Let's solve question number 2. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agree to repay with total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments. Each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Which means suppose एक man ने यहाँ 8,000 रुपीज़ बोरो किया है एंड ही एग्री टू पे रुपीज़ 1,360 एज एन इंटरेस्ट. विद इन 12 मंथ वो इंस्टॉलमेंट पे कर देगा इंटरेस्ट के साथ 8,000 रुपीज़. ओके, और इंटरेस्ट है 1,360 फॉर 12 मंथ्स. ओके, रुपीज़ 1,360 इंटरेस्ट है 1 ईयर के लिए, दैट मीन्स 12 मंथ के लिए. ईच इंस्टॉलमेंट बिंग लेस देन प्रिसीडिंग 1 by 40 रुपीज़. ठीक है. फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट. हमें बताना है कि फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट और लास्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट क्या होगा. फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट ये हमें यहाँ पर शो करना है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व हाउ वी विल डू दिस. सो हियर सॉल्व सोल्यूशन. एज यू नो दैट टोटल अमाउंट टू रीपे इज इक्वल टू 8,000 plus interest, that is 1,360, that is equal to 9,360. ओके 8,000 तो देना ही है, साथ में 1,360 पूरा ईयरली इंस्टॉलमेंट है जो 9,360 है. सो ईच इंस्टॉलमेंट बीइंग लेस देन द प्रीसीडिंग वन बाय ₹40. दैट मीन्स हियर SN is equal to 9,360, means S value is 9,360 and D value is equal to -40, because here question says that preceding 1 by 40. Okay, so -40 and N is equal to 12. So SN is equal to N by 2, make a bracket 2a plus make another bracket N minus 1, close the bracket, into D, close the final bracket. Okay, we have to apply this formula and we have to apply this given value in put this given value in this formula. So S12 is equal to N is 12 by 2. Okay, because N is 12, so 12 by 2, make a bracket 2a plus make a bracket N is 12 minus 1, close the bracket, into D is -40, because preceding is what is there now, so -40, then close the final bracket. So S is how much? 9,360. So in the place of S we will write 9,360 is equal to 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, so 6 2a plus 12 minus 1 11 multiply by -40. Okay, so 9,360, we don't know the value of A, we are finding here value of A. Okay, and also here, so here we will write 9,360 is equal to 6 2a plus into minus, so 1140 is a 440. So here 2 6 are 12a minus 6 multiply by 440, we have to do here multiplication. Okay, 6 multiply by 2a minus 6 multiply by 440. So 9,360 is equal to 9,360 is equal to 6 into 2a. Okay, 6 into 2a minus 220, because we have divided this 2 by 440, so we get here 220. Is that clear? So 9,360 upon, okay, this one, okay, 12, because 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 6 2s are 12 and a minus 220. Okay, inside the bracket we will write a minus 220. So now here after dividing we get here 9,360 upon 12 is 780 is equal to a is minus 220. Now this minus 220 अगर right से left में shift होता है तो plus 220 होगा. So 780 plus 220 which give us a is equal to 1,000. Okay, 780 plus 220, that means a is equal to 1,000. So here first installment here 1,000 and now n is equal to 12, यानी कि number of month कितने हैं, total 12 है. So we will apply here Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus make a bracket n minus 1, close the bracket D. So in the place of n we will put 12. So here 1,000 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40. So T12 is equal to 1,000 plus 12 minus 1 11 into minus 40. So 11 into minus 40 is 440 is equal to 1,000 minus 440 is 560. Is that clear? So here we get T12 is equal to 560. That means final installment, final and last installment, the amount of first installment. Okay, the amount of first installment is 1,000 and the amount of final यानी कि last installment is 560 rupees. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to understand this type of a question. Yes, my dear students, this is higher order thinking type question. Okay, you have to solve this. Now let's solve question number 3. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested rupees 5,000. In second year, rupees 7,000. In the third year, rupees 9,000, and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. That means सचिन ने नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट स्कीम जो है गवर्नमेंट की उसमें इन्वेस्ट किया. फर्स्ट ईयर में उसने 5,000 इन्वेस्ट किया, सेकेंड ईयर में वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हुआ तो 7,000 इन्वेस्ट किया, और थर्ड ईयर में 9,000. ये एक टाइप का उसके लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट है जो उसके लिए प्रॉफिटेबल है. तो हमें बताना है फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट दैट ही इन्वेस्टेड इन 12 ईयर. अगर वो 12 ईयर तक कंटिन्यू करता है तो उसको कितना प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो हियर वी गो. सोल्यूशन. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फर्स्ट ईयर ₹5,000, इन सेकेंड ईयर 7,000, and in third year 9,000. That means term 1, term 2 and term 3. So 5,000, 7,000, 9,000. Okay, this is an AP. This is an AP, and here common difference is, as you know, 2,000. Okay, common difference is 2,000. N is equal to number of month is 12, and Sn is equal to Sn is 12, and we have to calculate here sequence. So total number of investment of 12 here we have to calculate. So we will apply this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, make a bracket 2a plus, make another bracket n minus 1, close the bracket, into d, close final bracket. So we have to input the given value in this formula. So we have to apply the formula and input the value. So S12 is equal to n is 12 by 2, make a bracket 2 multiply by a is 5,000, because term a is term 1 is a, so a is 5,000 plus 12 minus 1, close the bracket, multiply by d is 2,000. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6, make a bracket 2 into 5,000, 10,000 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 2,000. So S12 is equal to 6 bracket 10,000 plus 11 into 2,000 is 22,000. 11 2s are 22, 30. So 22,000. So here 10,000 plus 22,000 is nothing but 32,000. So S12 is equal to 6 multiplied by 32,000. Okay, S12 is equal to 6 multiplied by 32,000. 10,000 plus 22,000, which give us 32,000. So here S12 is equal to, after calculation we get here 1,92,000 rupees. Is that clear, my dear students? So here we will write the final statement. Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. Isn't it so simple to calculate this kind of a sums? Yes, my dear students. Do you find difficulty? If you find any difficulty, you can contact me. Now we are going to solve here question number 4. Let's solve question number 4. Here we go. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row, and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. That means here A is equal to, term 1 is equal to 20, term 2 is equal to 22, term 3 is equal to 24, and so on. This is an AP, and as you all know that here 20, 22 and 24 सब में common difference 2 है. So we will write here solution like this. There are 20 seats in first row, 22 seats in second row, okay, and 24 seats in the third row, okay, and so on. Okay, so here 20, 22 and 24 is an AP. Okay, so here A is equal to 20, term 1 is AP, D is equal to 2, and N is equal to 27, N is equal to 27, and total number of seat, that means Sn is equal to S, we have to calculate here. So Sn is equal to N by 2, make a bracket, final bracket 2a plus N, make another bracket N minus 1, multiply by D, close final bracket. Now here Sn is equal to, Sn is how much? 27. So in the place of N we will write 27. 27 divide by 2. Here 2 multiply by 20 inside this bracket plus 27 minus 1 into 2, close final bracket here. Just you have to apply the value, okay, in this formula. So S27 is equal to 27 divided by 2. Now here 2 multiply by 20, 40 plus 27 minus 1, 26 into 2. बॉड मार्क्स का रूल हमें अप्लाई करना है. फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. सो S27 इज इक्वल टू 27 by 2, 40 plus 26 into 2 is 52 26 into 2, 52. Now 40 plus 52 is 92. So S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 multiply by 92. Okay, अभी आपको पता है 2 और 92 easily calculate हो जाएंगे. Okay, 2 4 is 8 and here 2 6 is 12. So here 27 into 46. So 46. So 27 into 46 is 1242. Okay, so here S is 1242. So here we will write that कि 27 row के लिए. Okay, 27, there is an auditorium for with 27 row. Okay, and we have to find here total number of seats. So Tn is equal to, we will apply this formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so n is how much? N is how much? N is 27. So and here n is 15, because here given seat is 15, we have to find 15. So T15 is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 1 multiplied by 2. My dear student, don't get confused. S27 is different and Tn is different. Here for n 15 is given. So here 20 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 2 is 28. So T15 is equal to 20 plus 28 is 48. So here we will write the final statement. The number of seat in the 15th row is 48 and the total seat in the auditorium is 1242. Isn't it so simple to calculate this kind of a sums? Yes, my dear student, isn't it so simple to find question number 4? Yes. Now let's solve question number 5. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees. Okay, 5 degree more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree Celsius, then find the temperature on other 5 days. That means here हमें बताना है कि जो रीडिंग है कारगिल के टेम्परेचर की इन अ वीक, यानी कि मंडे से सैटरडे कैसे लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पर अज्यूम करेंगे, ठीक है, ये 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस को कुछ इस तरीके से. वी विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट, लेट टेम्परेचर ऑन मंडे टू सैटरडे बी A minus 2D. Okay, A minus D, here nothing is there means 1. A degree, A plus D degree, A plus 2D degree, and lastly A plus 3 degree. Okay, like this we have to write our statement and we will use this value in the place of term 1, term 2 and term 3. The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday is equal to A minus 2D plus A plus 3D. Okay, this is the statement. So A minus 2D is equal to A plus 3D. Just remove the bracket, you will get here A minus 2D plus A plus 3D, and here is equal to 2A D plus D. 2A plus D, because 2A and 2D minus 3D is how much? Single D. So here we get 2A plus D, because 3D minus 2D is single D, and as you know यहाँ greater number की sign है इसलिए plus D है. The sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday, that is equal to A minus D plus A plus 3D. So A, remove the bracket. Okay, so A minus D plus A plus 3D. So here how many A? 2A, and how many D? Minus D and plus D. So 3D minus 1D plus 2D. Give here greater number sign. So 2A plus 2D. The temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree. That means A is equal to minus 30 degree. Okay, after that here A plus D. Okay, so after that Monday and Saturday is done. Okay, then Tuesday and Saturday is done, and lastly Wednesday is done. Okay, so here Tuesday and Saturday also done. If the temperature of the Wednesday, so we will write here by given condition. As per the given condition, we have to apply a condition, like we have applied the condition like 3.3. Same like that we have to apply here also the same condition. So here you can see here A minus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 2A plus 2D. So we will write here first 2A plus D, that is equal to 2A plus 2D plus 5. Close the bracket, plus 5. So here 2A plus D is equal to 2A plus 2D plus 5. Remove the bracket and we get here plus 5. After that what we will do here, 2A get cancelled because plus minus minus remove that. We get here d minus 2d. Plus minus minus d minus 2d is equal to 5. As you know that d is equal to minus d minus 2d minus 1d is minus d. Minus d is equal to 5 and d is equal to minus 5 here we get. So d is equal to minus 5. The common difference is minus 5. Now we know the value of d. Value of d is nothing but minus 5. Now here a minus 2d is equal to, in the place of d we will write 5 minus 5. So here in the place of a we will write minus 30 and in the place of d we will write minus 5. You have to put this value in this a minus 2d. So minus 30 minus 2 into minus 5. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 and here minus 30. So minus plus minus 30 minus 10 is minus 20. Now a minus d, a is 30 and d is, as you know, here we have written inside the bracket minus 5. So 30 minus 5 minus plus. So 30 plus 5 is 25. 30 plus minus minus 30 minus 5 minus 25. A plus d is equal to 30 plus, make a bracket, minus 5 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus 35. A plus 2d is equal to 30 plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 2 5s are 10. 30 minus 10 is minus 40. Now here a plus 3d is equal to, a is minus 30 plus 3 multiplied by d is minus 5. So 3 5s are 15. 30 minus 15 minus minus plus. So here in minus sign, 45 degree. The temperature from Monday to Saturday were minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 35 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius and minus 45 degrees Celsius. So final statement like this: the temperature from Monday to Saturday were minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 35 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, my dear students, isn't it so simple to calculate this kind of a sums? Yes, my dear students, just you have to apply the trick, you have to apply the given condition and you have to solve the given value. Okay, just like that. Now let's solve here new question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 says that on the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees were planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row 3 trees and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25th row. We have to calculate like this. Okay, that means tree plantation, World Environment Day पे tree plantation का program था like this. Okay, now here you can see हम लोग ने एक example लिए है. See here 1, then 3 हो गया, फिर बाद में 2 3, then 4, then 5, okay, then 6, okay, like this. So here solution like this: in first row 1 tree, as you can see here, second row 2 trees, third row 3 trees, so on. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 25 till 25. This is an AP, and as you know here difference is a is equal to 1 and difference is 1 and n is equal to 25. So T25 is equal to 25 and here S25 is equal to, we have to calculate here sequence value. We know the value of n is 25 here. Okay, so here n is 25. Now Sn is equal to, we will apply this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, make a bracket, T1 plus T2, close the bracket. Now here T1 plus T2, we are using this formula, okay, second formula, remember that. S25 is equal to 25 upon 2. T1 is how much given here, 1 plus 25, okay. T1, A is 1, that means term 1, 1 plus 25 is 26. So 25 upon 2 multiply by 26. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 13s are 26. So 25 multiply by 13, okay, 2 here 13 multiplied by 25 is 325. So here the total number of tree in the 25th row is 325 trees. Isn't it so simple to calculate this kind of a sums? Yes, my dear students, just you have to apply the formula and you have to input the given value in that formula. Yes, students, in this way we have completed all the 6 word problem of practice set 3.4. Now your task is to solve all these 6 questions in your maths 1 notebook. Students, remember this all are higher order thinking type question and most important level question, and definitely this will come in your board examination. So you have to practice all these 6 sums twice in your maths notebook. Enjoy learning.